Hey there guys, my name is Sam, I am your host, and welcome back to episode number 10 of our exciting build series right here at Lifted Trucks. In each episode of our build series, we peel back the curtain on our custom vehicle builds, giving you the exclusive scoop on the modifications, high quality parts, next level service, and of course, the jaw-dropping cinematics that showcase each truck when it's ready to hit the road. In today's episode, we're showcasing an absolute beast of a truck that redefines both power and luxury. We're talking about a 2023 Ford F-450 dually in the Platinum trim package. Now, this isn't just any truck, it's a testament to strength and sophistication, equipped with features that'll make any truck enthusiast's eyes light up. Here at liftedtrucks.com, we're all about the high quality work. Our expert technicians are some of the best in the industry, transforming already incredible machines into extraordinary custom builds where both performance and aesthetics come together to create a one-of-a-kind vehicle and driving experience. Whether it's for rugged off-road adventures, heavy-duty towing, or just making a statement on the roads, our trucks are built to perform and built to impress. Now let's talk about this monster, the four-wheel drive Ford F-450 dually. Right out of the factory, this is of course a beautiful truck, but in true Lifted Trucks fashion, we've taken it and turned it up a notch. Because this is not just any truck, it's a powerhouse wrapped in luxury, and we think that the exterior look and feel should match all of the top of the line technology that this truck is equipped with. So before we jump into the shop and tell you what we did to this build, let's quickly highlight some of the existing features on this truck. Starting out under the hood, we of course have Ford's 6.7 liter Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel engine capable of towing up to 30,000 pounds. That's right, I said 30,000. In other words, if you can hitch it, you can tow it. To complement the towing capacity, you have an array of onboard cameras and towing assist features that make backing up, hitching, and towing a breeze. The rest of the exterior is thoughtfully equipped with some amazing quality of life tech like automatic running boards, auto LED headlights, telescoping trailer tow mirrors, powered tailgate with a down tailgate camera that allows you to see what's going on behind you when the tailgate is down, onboard scales and smart hitch, and bedside steps, just to name a few. Moving to the interior, you have everything you could imagine in a modern day luxury truck build. We're talking heated and ventilated front seats with heated rear seats as well, a Bang & Olufsen 18 speaker sound system, projected heads up display on the windshield, rain sensing windshield wipers, onboard Wi-Fi for up to 10 devices, two 120 volt AC outlets, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, remote start system, and a heated steering wheel, again, just to name a few. But we're not here to just list off the features. Let's head over to the shop and we'll show you what we did to this truck. Leading the build today is Richard, one of our expert techs at the lift shop, and he's got a list of parts set aside for this build. Let's check it out. First off, we've equipped the truck with a Ready Lift 2.5-inch leveling kit and track bar relocation bracket. This kit allows us to fit larger tires under the wheel wells and gives it the nice leveled look, ditching that factory rake to the front. The track bar relocation bracket allows us to correct your truck's track width after lifting the front. The lift is subtle but effective, giving it a dominant posture that's hard to miss, all while maintaining the smooth OEM ride and drivability. This little addition makes a big difference, ensuring that the ride quality and the steering precision are uncompromised, even with the lift and bigger tires. Next up, the heart of any lifted truck's performance, the suspension. We've upgraded this monster with a Fox 2.0 suspension system on both the front and the rear. Fox is of course renowned for its durability and its performance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough terrains, this suspension system ensures a ride that is as smooth as it is exhilarating. Now, after lifting and leveling this truck, we of course couldn't leave it on stock wheels and tires. So we've equipped the Ford F-450 with 22-inch DDC mesh wheels in black to match the truck's exterior. It brings a stealthy but aggressive look to this truck that does not compromise performance or quality. DDC uses zero plastic in any of their wheel packages, incorporating metal lug covers that attach with stainless steel hardware, maintaining the high quality of this build from the ground up. And what would those wheels be without the right tires? We've wrapped our DDC wheels in a 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tire. These hybrid terrain tires offer the perfect balance between an all-terrain and a mud terrain tire, giving you a ride that's aggressive off-road, yet surprisingly quiet and comfortable on the road. They're the perfect match for this F-450, enhancing its aggressive look and versatile performance in adding an amazing amount of ground clearance. And with that, Richard has buttoned up the final details on this build. His knowledge and attention to detail in full display, as every modification is meticulously checked and double inspected before ever leaving the shop. It was finally time to take this F-450 Platinum build out for a spin. We hit the road, and let me tell you, it's an experience. The power, the comfort, the sheer presence of it all would be much better conveyed by just letting you take the keys and take it for a drive yourself. But for now, you'll just have to take my word for it. Let's take a look at this truck in action. It's always exciting to see these builds come to life in the shop, but the real treat is getting them out on the road, and this Ford F-450 is no exception. It's an absolute pleasure to drive, combining luxury with raw power in a way that few other vehicles can. The spacious and feature-rich interior ensures you're riding in comfort, while the engine under the hood is always ready to go at your command. But enough about what we think, we want to hear from you. How do you feel this build stacks up? Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the parts, performance, or any questions you might have. And for those who can't get enough of these gorgeous machines, you can find this F-450 and many more like it at liftedtrucks.com. Visit our website to browse our inventory, or if you're in the area, stop by one of our Arizona, Texas, or Alabama locations. Remember, this is just one episode in our ongoing series. If you've missed the earlier episode, now's the perfect time to catch up. Let us know what other trucks you'd like to see us feature, and if there's anything specific you're curious about, just ask. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to keep up with all of our latest projects. Thank you for joining us on this episode. We can't wait to see you next time as we continue to bring these incredible builds to life. We'll see you out there. Over and out.